Hello and welcome to today's guide. Need a unique taxpayer reference or UTR number for your UK taxes in 2025. Whether you're self-employed or setting up a company, I'll show you how to get your 10-digit UTR from HMRC easily. So a UTR is required for self-assessment tax return. So UTR is required for self-assessment tax returns if you're self-employed, a company director, or have untaxed income. Individuals apply for a personal UTR, while limited companies get one automatically after registering with Companies House. Gather your national insurance number, full name, address, and business details. If applicable, says your company informations co UK. For individuals, you need to visit Gov UK, search register for self-assessment, and log into or create a government gateway account. Fill out the form with your personal and income details. Submit by October 5, 2025. If you started self-employment this tax year, HMRC sends your UTR by post within 10 days, 21 if abroad. I waited 2 weeks for mine. Keep an eye on your mail. For limited companies, register with Companies House first. HMRC automatically issues a company UTR to your registered office within 14 days. No separate application is needed, but ensure your company's house details are correct to avoid details. Advises osom.com. Check your post for the Welcome to Self-Assessment letter. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, share them below, like and subscribe, and see you next time.